What's up, guys? Here's another trade idea, short form content. I don't want to keep it long for you guys, but here is gold on the 1 hour chart. Right, we can see we had a huge bearish movement last week, but now we are slowly working back up to this level. Right, so what I want to talk about here is how we were actually bearish for a while, because if you look at this past support here, we had a nice support here that was broken aggressively, and now we were trending back upwards above that level. Right, so now when we were back above the support, we actually came down again. We retested and we went long. We're more bearish, but when it retraced, it broke this previous high. Right, that should have been a clear sign of that price is actually bullish, and price has showed us that it was bullish previously, as we saw this correction giving us a lot of bullish structure. Right, so now we can see this resistance marked up here, not a support, a resistance, because we are going upwards. Right, so price broke here, made a nice indication there, then it came back up below this level, and then every time we're above this level, we can see where price is aiming at. Right, and around about Wednesday, around this time, this is the analysis I had, and I placed this instrument here. I wanted price to come back around this level to enter buys to target this level at 2,300, right, around that level. So price in turn didn't do that, and it carried on going higher, which is perfectly fine. We had another indication above the level, and then price came back below, and then when it came back above, it could have been another indication for us to buy, and we would have been safe to just take profit around this area, because price rejected off of 2,365, right, and then it tapped at that level again, which should have told you to take profit. Right, so that would have been a clean breakout trade as well, but we're not counting that because we didn't use that. Right, but when price now is making a correction, we have two places to take position off of. This area, which is strong, we have very bullish. We had a very bullish impulse here, as we can see before, which gave us this move here. So this is also a promising level, and so is this one, where we had another very bullish impulsive movement here when we broke out of here. So those are two potential entry points, right, that can make us money, and long term we're aiming for this level here. Right, as we know, when price is trending higher, it is aiming to take out highs. As you can see, it took out this high, we took out this high, and this high took out that high. So then the next incoming highs are likely to aim here. So just in terms of projection, if you person that really holds, you could be looking at a 1 to 15 here, right, 1 to 10 possibly, but realistically that's where you want to cut your profits, right, as a responsible trader, and let rather this position to run from here from the entry to rather here, giving you a risk to reward of 4, or here if you more of a swing trader. Right, so those are our possible outlooks on gold for next week. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment on how much you like the shorter form content or the longer form content for deeper explanation.